Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to C9 Beauty, all things beauty. I am C9. If you are just turning in, I make hair videos, beauty product review videos, anything dealing with beauty and lifestyle, I do it on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a sleek ponytail. Now, I don't recall me ever doing this hairstyle before, so this is going to be new to me and I'm just going to share it with you guys. I've watched a lot of different YouTube videos on how to complete this look, which the look that I'm going for, maybe I'll post a picture right here, but it's definitely going to be a sleek ponytail with weave. I got my materials out ready and I have my hair, like, this is like not freshly washed, maybe like a few days, a few days now. My hair, y'all, is growing up. Look at my hair. And this is just blown out. I went to work out earlier. Maybe I just got home like 30 minutes ago. And now, after the shower, all I did was like blow dry my hair back out. And now I'm about to press it. And let's get started because I'm on a schedule. Hair is as straight as it's gonna get. It is soft. It do need a trim, I know, but yeah, this is how my hair is. So now I'm about to decide, do I want to do like a deep side part or just like a middle part and then just wrap it around? Or do I want to do it like this and maybe have like some hair like that? I think that would be cute. Or push it all back and still have the, which I think. I think I might do it this way. And then just have quote unquote baby hair. Right? So my foundation is on. Now I am about to go ahead, check the little sideburns out. Pretty thick. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some Shine and Jam. It's new. I like when I get new products. I'm just gonna put it on my hair and do the perimeter. Get that back. So I decided to go ahead and do a voiceover for this part of the video. So I just want to further explain exactly what I'm doing, because I've seen this in different videos where they go through the sections of the hair and spray the got to be glued spray, or put like some type of gel throughout the hair versus just putting everything on top. So this allows it to become a little bit slicker or sleeker. And yeah, that's what I'm doing, piece by piece. And now I'm just wrapping it up, and I'm using a blow dryer to hold it in place. So in this part of the video, I am telling you guys that I am using this edge booster. I don't have a lot in there. I need to re-up, but I'm using that strictly for my edges because I feel like this is one of the best edge controls I've had thus far. It is kind of expensive for the things that I usually go for, but for this little bottle, I've said it in my last video or a few of my other videos that it costs like $3 and some change. So yeah, but it's definitely worth it. It's called Edge Booster. While I get my ponytail together, I'm gonna use this wrap strap just to make sure that my edges stay, you know, point. I should have did it the other way. Oops. I don't want any lines. At the top of my head. Now it's time to braid the ends. And looking back at this now, my braid is a little bit thinner than I would have liked it. So if you are definitely looking for a thicker ponytail, please use some braiding hair to make it thicker. And if you want it longer, just add more hair to the desired length. To secure the end, I did use a rubber band because that's all I had on hand. And now I'm taking another wrap strap. That's what it's called. You can get it from your local beauty supply store. And I think they actually have it in Walmart and Target too. Don't quote me on that, but I know I get mine from the beauty supply store. So I'm just going to wrap my braid in the wrap strap. And right now I had to like take it off. But how I secured it was taking a little bit of the bonding glue, the hair glue, and just gluing it a little bit, and then I took another rubber band and secured the bottom of it. So this is gonna be like a smaller ponytail, but that's okay because I should have used braiding hair to make it thicker. But I'm going in with this premium purple pack, tangle free, 100% human hair in the color 4. Yeah, color 4, and it's a 10-inch. I wasn't trying to be too dramatic, but you know, a little bit. So again, this is my first time doing this, so we gonna see. So this is the width. I'm just gonna glue it. I'll speed it up, but I'm just gonna glue it to the ponytail and just keep wrapping around so I get to the very top. And so now I'm taking my hair glue, putting it directly on the hair width, and I am wrapping it around the ponytail. At this point, I thought I had messed up because it was looking super thin. I was like, yeah, I don't want it to look that crazy, but eventually I saw the vision and it actually turned out better than I expected. Okay, so this is the finished look. So now I'm gonna take a little piece from the bottom, maybe like a big chunk or something, I don't know. I barely know what I'm doing. And I'm going to spray it and wrap it. Okay. Wrap it around. You can't see. Man, I can't see behind me, but I hope this works. All right, guys, so overall, I think I like it. I like it. The only thing that I don't like is the color. The color is more like a reddish type, and my hair, I don't know, what was I thinking? But this is the final look. You see how that two-tone? I'm gonna go back in and make sure I gel that up nicely, but that's where I am. I'm going to do something with this, make it a little curly or something. But let me go ahead and do my makeup and then I'll show you everything put together. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I like the way it turned out. This is, again, new for me. Here's the side. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I loved recording this. I'm like, this might be a go-to style now that I know how, you know, to do it. And there's a few things that I would change, but you know, whatever. It's whatever. It's a $15 hairstyle. Can't get any better than that. I need to blend more. Blend, 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 blend. This white t-shirt on. I am on time. I am ready. Now I can just sit back and relax. I wish I had some wine. I don't have any wine with me now. That's okay. I'm going to get some drinks and celebrate. Oh, I don't think I told y'all. Today, my bad. Today marks 1 year of C9 organic candles, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I have a business. I have a business. That's still kind of, it sounds crazy. Where is a good lighting? Here we go. So I hope y'all like this look and this ponytail. Get into it. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.